Here we are over in Wakefield this morning, installing a Starlink. This is one of the catenaries where we've wired a Cat6 cable from the main house over to this lovely holiday let. Full speeds of 150 megabytes plus per second all throughout there. We've installed the Starlink out of sight. Just on the corner there, you can slightly see it. Wired 4 points. One into the main house, out of the main house into that house. Another one into the holiday cottage. All throughout the grounds. She's receiving speeds of 100 plus megabytes per second minimum, compared to the 10 that she'd previously got just in that house alone. It's Aaron and Phil, Space Internet Solutions.